Turkey's AKINCI drone demonstrates precision strikes with BOZOK and KAYI-30 smart munitions. Bayraktar Technologies has confirmed successful live-fire tests of the BOZOK and KAYI-30 guided munitions from the Bayraktar AKINCI UCAV during a December 14 campaign. The results highlight Turkey's growing ability to field domestically developed air-launched weapons optimized for unmanned platforms. On 14 December 2025, Bayraktar Technologies released video footage on its official X account showing the Bayraktar AKINCI PT-7 unmanned combat aerial vehicle conducting a live-fire campaign with 3 indigenous guided munitions, as reported by the company. During the test, AKINCI launched 2 BOZOK laser-guided miniature munitions and 1 KAYI-30 laser-guided miniature munition, each scoring a direct hit on its designated target. The event illustrates the rapid expansion of Turkey's indigenous unmanned strike capabilities and underlines the growing maturity of air-launched precision munitions specifically designed for unmanned aerial platforms. The live-fire test demonstrated the Bayraktar AKINCI PT-7's ability to accurately deploy multiple laser-guided miniature munitions in a single sortie, confirming the effective integration and operational maturity of the BOZOK and KAYI-30 systems under realistic engagement conditions. The campaign confirmed the seamless integration of BOZOK and KAYI-30 on the AKINCI airframe, a high-altitude, long-endurance UCAV designed to operate with a diversified weapons load. Developed by TÜBİTAK Phage, both munitions belong to the laser-guided miniature munition category and are optimized for employment on UAVs, where payload limitations, precision, and controlled effects are critical operational factors. Their use during a single sortie demonstrates AKINCI's ability to employ mixed loads of free-fall precision munitions against different categories of ground targets. BOZOK is a lightweight and compact laser-guided munition with a mass of 16 kilograms, a length of 80 centimeters, and a diameter of 120 millimeters, specifically designed to provide unmanned air vehicles with an accurate strike capability in asymmetric warfare environments. Its design prioritizes operational flexibility and integration on UAV platforms where weight constraints are decisive. BOZOK uses a tactical inertial guidance mode during the mid-course phase, relying on an inertial measurement unit, before switching to semi-active laser guidance in the terminal phase to achieve high accuracy. With a stated range of more than 17 kilometers, depending on release conditions, the munition is intended to engage both planned targets and targets of opportunity. Its warhead options include an anti-personnel warhead, as well as a hybrid configuration combining armor-piercing and particle effects, while proximity sensors enhance target effectiveness in the final moments of engagement. KAYI-30, developed within the same LGMM family, is a free-fall laser-guided air-to-ground munition with increased mass and payload, weighing approximately 24 kilograms and measuring 100 centimeters in length with a diameter of 140 millimeters. Unlike missile or glide systems, KAYI-30 does not incorporate propulsion or dedicated standoff features. Its effective range is dependent on release altitude and aircraft speed. According to official data, it can reach 15 kilometers at 20,000 feet and 120 ktas, and up to 25 kilometers when released at 25,000 feet and 180 ktas, using INS GPS or combined INS GPS semi-active laser guidance. With a circular error probable of less than 3 meters, KAYI-30 is intended to deliver deliver precision effects against a wider range of targets. Its modular architecture allows the use of anti-personnel, shape-charged or penetrator warheads, enabling adaptation to evolving operational requirements. Operationally, the combination of BOZOK and KAYI-30 strengthens AKINCI's role as a multi-mission platform capable of conducting close air support, precision interdiction, and time-sensitive strike missions in support of land and maritime forces. The ability to carry and employ multiple laser-guided miniature munitions in a single sortie increases tactical flexibility while reducing dependence on manned aircraft for certain strike profiles. The integration of KAYI-30 with a smart multiple-carriage bomb rack specifically designed for the KAYI munitions family further enhances sortie efficiency and supports rapid adaptation to different mission sets. Beyond its immediate operational value, the test carries strategic significance. By validating a domestically produced UCAV operating exclusively with domestically developed precision munitions, Turkey reinforces its autonomy in critical defense technologies and reduces vulnerability to external supply constraints or export restrictions. In an international context marked by sustained demand for armed UAVs and cost-effective precision strike solutions, the AKINCI BOZOK KAYI-30 combination consolidates Turkey's position as both an end user and a supplier of integrated UAV and precision strike systems. At the military strategic level, the demonstration reflects lessons drawn from recent conflicts, where armed UAVs have played a central role in persistent surveillance, precision engagement, and deterrence. The successful employment of laser-guided miniature munitions from a Hail-class UCAV highlights Turkey's focus on fielding coherent, end-to-end strike ecosystems that integrate sensors, platforms, and weapons rather than isolated capabilities. The successful live-fire test involving 2 BOZOK and 1 KAYI-30 from the Bayraktar AKINCI PT-7 represents an important step in consolidating Turkey's indigenous unmanned strike portfolio. The validation of these laser-guided miniature munitions on a strategic class UCAV confirms both their operational maturity and the versatility of the AKINCI platform, reinforcing Turkey's credibility as a provider of integrated UAV and precision munition solutions for national use and for international partners.